We're introducing the all-new 2024 Brinkley Model Z 3100 mid-sized luxury fifth wheel. The Model Z is in a class of its own, featuring an automotive exterior with a residential interior yielding no compromise. Whether you're a weekend camper or a full-time RVer, the Model Z will be sure to have you dreaming of your next camping trip. It's got industry-first brass plumbing connections and these awesome wide stance leveling jacks. We've got over 130 cubic feet of exterior storage, including a rear storage compartment and residential frameless windows that provide a clean look and beautiful views. The interior has a super spacious living and kitchen area thanks to these dual opposing slides, and the height is 76 inches. The living area includes theater seating with heat and wireless charging, a fireplace with 5,000 BTU electric heat, and entertainment center with a 50-inch smart TV on a televator. Moving over to the kitchen and the dining area, we've got this awesome kitchen island with a solid surface countertop, and the dinette over here, we've got room for 4, and this booth here is going to double as a multi-purpose ottoman as well. The 84-inch pantry with adjustable shelves, dual pull-out trash bins, dog bowls, and residential kitchen appliances assure you have everything you need while cooking on the road. Stepping into the bathroom, we have a fiberglass one-piece shower that measures 30 by 42 inches with a residential shower head and quad sprayers. We've also got an oversized linen closet and a backlit recessed medicine cabinet. Along with the 79.5-inch ceiling height that we have in the bathrooms, you're going to have that same tall ceiling height here in the bedroom. Complete with a memory foam king mattress, walk-in closet with modern mirror sliding doors, and stackable washer-dryer prep. The front bedroom offers all of the comforts of home. So come check out the all-new Brinkley Model Z fifth wheel during the 11th annual Colton RV show at the Seneca Allegheny Resort and Casino now through April 2nd. But if you can't make it to the show, don't worry. Stop by Colton RV and Marine in North Tonawanda and we'd be happy to show it to you.